how did you build your hedge fund? What did you enjoy the most during that time? What was your lowest point as a hedge fund manager? Yeah. So the way that I built my hedge fund was I networked like crazy, and I spoke to people all over the world. And I did informational meetings. And the way I did it, it's actually easier than you think to get a job or to raise money or to start a company or to get customers. If you remember one simple secret, business is about relationships first and product knowledge second. Your network is your net worth. And so if you go to my website, you can scroll down to get this book here for free. It's 200 pages. There's a couple hours of YouTube videos as well. And I promise you this stuff works. In that book, it's free. It'll help you to get a job, network better, to get where you want in business and in life. Yeah. You have to bond before business, which is the title of Manas's book, one of my wonderful students from India who's on the call today. So how do you bond with somebody? Well, you talk about current world events. If it's a Friday, you say, do you have weekend plans? If it's a Monday, how was your weekend? Or you go to their Twitter profile to see who they follow. This is key. Because people on Twitter, they usually follow people that inspire them or people are in an industry that they enjoy. So for example, if you go to my Twitter profile, you'll see that I love the smell of baseballs. I don't know why. You'll see that I follow a lot of Toronto Blue Jays, right? A baseball team. So if you're in a meeting with me, we could talk about baseball. You'll know what to talk about. And sports is great boardroom talk. Whenever I meet somebody from the United States, whatever city they're from, I'll talk about sports in that city, right? And you can do it globally as well. So you can learn a lot about somebody by going to their Twitter profile to see who they follow. You can also learn a lot about somebody by going to their LinkedIn profile and looking at what groups or companies or entrepreneurs they follow as well. And you can bring that up in the meeting as well. Just be careful about it. You don't want to sit down with somebody and say, I was stalking you on Twitter and I see that you like the Toronto Blue Jays. Yeah. Make it natural. And what happened with me, I was so frustrated many years ago, I couldn't get a job. And I worked hard and I thought, I don't get it. Why can I not get jobs after interviews? And I went to an interview, and I promise you what I'm about to tell you is going to help you. I went to an interview and I was just so frustrated, man. I remember talking to Christine years ago before we got married. I went to an interview and I didn't care. I just told myself before the interview, you know what, Chris? F it. I don't care if I get this job. I'm just going to be me. I'm not going to act. And I was just myself. And we talked about entertainment, the Oscars at the time, yada, yada. And I got that job. I couldn't believe it. Because business is about bonding with people. Business is about people. So just be you. You do you.